Last time on Gierok Farms.
We are going to start in on the Super MTA project that we've been hinting at. Changing the tires, paint up the rims, do a mini restoration.
Okay, here we are the next day, and the boys are all at their day jobs now. So yesterday evening, I got on those wire brushes with and sanders and tried out just about every power tool I could to get these rims and these hubs all polished up. And I don't know, I don't think there's any need for primer. The old paint job that's on here is, well, it's on there pretty good. And we got all the dirt and all the loose rust kind of polished back. Same with these rims. The one that was on the right side over here that we took apart first, actually the only rust on the inside of the rim is virtually there, just a tiny bit right there. It's almost to the point where I don't even know if it matters painting it on the inside, but we're gonna get them painted up. We got some stuff here I've had here for a few years. I'm hoping it's pretty good yet. I think it is. I did buy a bunch of paint several years back for when Mason got all gung-ho about doing that project. Then he kind of went by the wayside, but it'll all get used. So there I got my aluminum and then I got my red. Right now my plan is just to paint the wheels, the hub with the weight and the rims. And then all these little guys, I polished them up. Those are the blocks that hold everything in place. And even though they're not perfect and not restoration quality, they're gonna work really well. I gotta show you guys what I did. So I did put on a brand new pair of pants this morning. I actually tried out these pants that Mason bought me, but then thought I don't wanna get these things all paint. So then I found this old towel that, you know, things that we use in my rag box up there on the shelf. And I got a vice grip here, made myself a quick apron so I don't have to mess up my brand new wear here for the summer. So there we go, being resourceful. And today it's still very cloudy. It turned humid. It's supposed to rain like crazy tonight, and it's almost like the sky almost looks it. And I don't even want to think about trying to cut hay the way it's been. And they're kind of talking warmer and more humid as the week goes on, but the rain chances become less, and you know, it's hard to believe any of that anymore, but just leave that on the back burner. And so we're gonna get at painting here, and then I'm gonna shut you guys off when I do this, and I'll check back in when I get some results. Okay, here we are. We got our hubs painted. A lot of little crevices to get into. Pretty satisfied with it. Got our rims painted. Gonna probably need another coat for sure. Turned out pretty good. And who knows? Maybe this summer we'll take the fenders off, and even if we just did the fenders and the hoods, there you go. We'll give you guys an update when we do more. Okay, there we have it. I tried to center these rims the best I could, and I don't know, you got like a little bit of a block there you can use as a reference. There's like 5 of those or something here, or 6, but so far so good. Everything looks pretty good. We got to get these tires on. I'm gonna need to go mow hay. I've been stewing on the weather here for a while, and my son called and he said we could probably get going for chopping, finishing for chopping. So this is either gonna have to get done tonight. Be nice if we get this together, because got a few good days, or potentially good days here coming up. It'd be nice if we had this tractor, if we, just in case we need it, if something would go wrong with some of the other ones. You know, you always got to have You can never be 100% prepared, but anyway, it's looking sharp. It just almost don't fit the rest of the paint job, but I think maybe this will get Mason a little more excited about finishing the rest. I think we're gonna try to find a real nice air painter. Right now, I brush this stuff on, and it looks really good for what this tractor is and what this tractor does around here. It's going to get dirty, you know. It's never gonna stay showroom anyway. I mean, the cast, you can't see the brush prints at all. I like it. Rims are in great shape. So here we got the 2 new tires. They're Firestone. I think they call them Traction Field and Road. They're kind of the better ones. And then I got some brand new Firestone inner tubes. And then I have a company waiting for my call so they can put the rim guard, the bug juice, whatever inside there for weight, whatever they call it. So check back in. Okay, Mason, so you wanna, you're gonna have to stop once. We're gonna have to do something different here. Let's turn the whole tire. You're getting off center here. There, it's falling in now. That's better. So we're here, it's probably 10 o'clock at night already. Working on this because we got hay tomorrow. So we may be able to get this tractor ready. Now, I gotta explain, we had a problem here. We had a leak, and we did patch a valve stem on that old tube that went in here when we had trouble sealing this up past winter here. Well, anyway, that was leaking. We took the tube out. I found a hole over in this area. I looked it over really close. I couldn't find a nail or nothing, so I don't know if we hurt the tube putting it together, what was going on with that. But anyway, we were able to seal it up. So I put the stem in for the tubeless, and now she's tubeless again. We got her sitting out here overnight just to make sure she's gonna stay okay. Here's our tube and our patch. So anyway, we're working on this here. These are bias tires, 14.9 Firestone, 14.938. Don't lay it on the ground because you're going to get gravel up in it. See, now this track, these rims, I think were for 13.6s. You got 14.9s on there. That's the way we've been running them.
There?
Huh?
What's more in there?
Yeah, put a little more in there. Get quite a bit more in there. Just want to give a little bit of. Twist it, we push it up in there. Most of it on your rim here. Just soap. There we go. These are easy, ain't they? They're working with the big ones. That's going up there. Okay, so we started this Sunday afternoon and it's Wednesday evening. Any last words?
I don't know. The rims look a little weird now that they're
Weird?
red.
They look like they don't belong, don't they? So the rest of the tractor needs to get done up. I thought that's some incentive for you to get it done. This isn't too bad. It didn't take long. Sure dried fast for as humid as it is. Keep you posted about the rest of this restoration when we get to it. The rest of it, we're gonna want to do something a little bit better if we
decide to go further. Probably what you should do is do the M first, being that one isn't getting used as much. It's got a couple little issues with starting and it's cold and other things like that, but this one here is the Old Faithful. All right, see you next time.